Ringing, clicking, hissing, buzzing, or roaring, tinnitus is usually perceived as one of these sounds in either one ear or both. Unfortunately, 1 out of 10 people experiences disturbing ear noises at one point in their lives. However, tinnitus is not a disease, it's a symptom. It shows you what condition your neck and overall head muscles are in currently. And even though curing tinnitus permanently is not always possible, patients can still find relief by exercising. In this video, we will show you our top 3 exercises to prevent and treat tinnitus quickly at home. See for yourself how simple it is to not only treat the symptoms but also getting to the core of your pains. Tinnitus down, several more pains to go. No worries. Check out our free YouTube channel and have a look around. Find more videos for pain relief, exercise tips, and easy ways to reduce your physical complaints. Exercises for stretching the neck and jaw muscles to get rid of tinnitus. The cause of your tinnitus may be a muscular tenseness in the area of the cervical spine. If you continuously press your upper and lower jaws together, you can build up high tension in the masticatory muscles and the surrounding facial tissue. Therefore, it is essential to reduce these tensions by stretching your jaw and neck muscles intensively to make the fasciae supple again. With the following relaxation exercises, you can loosen the tense muscles and fasciae in both areas. Sit up straight, grasp your lower jaw with one hand, and open your mouth as wide as possible. Use your hand as a support to stretch the muscles in your jaw, cheek, and around your mouth as much as possible. Stay in this position for 2 to 3 minutes. There is a chance that the tinnitus initially changes its sound or becomes stronger before the symptoms subside considerably. Don't let this discourage you. Just make sure that your pain perception is in an acceptable range. Grab a massage ball or a comparable tool and roll off your jaw and chewing muscles on the cheek with a lot of pressure and spiraling movements. If you come along areas with significantly noticeable tension, linger with the mini ball and circle around these spots. Why is that so important? It's really simple. Rolling off your tissue helps you to dissolve facial adhesions in tense areas. The specific pressure on your tissue ensures that the shortened fasciae, which may be slagged with deposits, is properly loosened. As a result, the perceived pain might decrease. Sit up straight and bend your left arm to prevent you from pulling your shoulder up during the stretching exercise. Reach over the head with your right hand to the left ear and bring the head into a stretching position. You will feel the stretch at the side of your neck. Stay in this position for 2 to 3 minutes and breathe evenly. Change sides to release tension and muscle stiffness on the right side as well.